Welcome everyone to the complete e-commerce fact bot. So this course consists of 5 different modules. In each module we are going to discuss about how to import the packages, how to import the data set, how to extract the features from the data set, and how to train the data set. At last we are going to find the output for our project. So this course is very useful for the students who are trying to create e-commerce bot using NLP for the first time. So let's get started. Welcome everyone to the first class. In today's class we are going to discuss about our project e-commerce fact bot using NLP. NLP is nothing but natural language processing. So first we are going to create a new notebook in Google Colab. So you have to create new notebook in Google Colab. So after that you have to type your project name. So you have to type your project name. I'm going to type my own project name, e-commerce FAQ bot. FAQ is nothing but frequently asking question. So that's the full form of FAQ. So after that you need to change your runtime. So you can select CPU or GPU. I'm going to select CPU and then you have to select save. So now we are going to discuss about what are all the packages we need to download and import for our project. So first you need to import the NLTK package, that is nothing but Natural Language Toolkit. For that you need to type import NLTK. So that is nothing but Natural Language Toolkit. So using the natural language you need to download the package PUNKT. So this package is very useful for training your model. And then we need to import the sklearn package. So we need to import sklearn.feature extraction from text. We are going to extract the features from the text. And then you have to import the sub package, that is TFID vectorizer. So it will extract your features from the text and convert the features into vectors. So that's the use of TFID vectorizer package. It will convert your features into vectors. So that vectors will be useful for training your bot. So after that we need to import the second package from the sklearn. You have to type sklearn.metrics pairwise and then you have to import cosine similarity. So we need to find the similarity between the user query and then bot query. So based on that similarity the bot can predict the answer. For that only you need to import cosine similarity. So after that you need to run the code. You can see all the packages are successfully imported. Welcome everyone to the second class. In today's class we are going to create data set for our bot. So we need to create data set in the form of dictionary, that is key and value pair. So you can see the key, that is what is the return policy. So that's the key. And then you can return any item within 30 days of purchase, that is the value. We are going to create data set in the form of dictionary in Python. You have to know about dictionary in Python. So dictionary contains two values, keys and value. So we are creating e-commerce bot. For that only I have created key and value based on e-commerce. So after that we need to separate the questions and answer. For that you need to create the variable questions equal to, we are going to separate the questions. For that you have to create the list dot keys. So questions are nothing but the keys. So what is the return policy? That is the question. That is nothing but the key. And then answer. So need to create list and then you have to type the variable dot values. So it will separate the values and convert the values into list. So keys are nothing but questions and values are nothing but answer. We have created two lists. So after that you need to run this code. You can see the question and answer are separated. So in the next class we are going to discuss about how to extract the features from the text and convert the features into vectors. Welcome everyone. In today's class we are going to discuss about how to extract the features from the text and convert the features to vectors. For that we need to use TF-IDF vectorizer. So you have to create the matrix for the vectors. You have to type matrix equal to vectorizer dot fit transform of questions. We are going to convert the questions to matrix. So we are going to convert the questions to matrix. So before that you need to initialize vectorizer variable. You have to create vectorizer variable. You have to type vectorizer TF-IDF vectorizer of. So after that we are going to convert the questions to matrix. So you have to run this code. You can see the questions are converted to matrix. So after that we are going to create a function for the answer. We have successfully created questions. Now we are going to extract from the answers. So I have to create a function def get answer of user query. So if the user types their query, the answer will be get from the bot. So if the user types their query like when I can find my order, so that will be checked with the bot questions. If the questions are similar, then the answer will be provided in the output. For that only you have to type query equal to vectorizer dot transform of user query. It will be as list. We are going to convert the user query into list. Type similarity equal to cosine similarity. We are going to use cosine similarity for finding the similarity between user query and then question. So the question are nothing but the matrix and then user query is the query. So user query and then matrix. It will be compared. If the user query and then matrix, that is the question, are more similar, then we can get the answer. For that you need to type match equal to similarity score. We are going to find the score of each similarity. Argument max, arg max. So we are going to index the score of each similarity. For that you have to type match index equal to similarity dot argument max. After that we are going to find the score. You have to type match score equal to similarity 0, match index. First we have created index for the similarity. Then we are going to compare the index with the score. So after that we need to create confidence. So we need to create the threshold level for the similarity. We need to type threshold equal to 0.1. You can type your own value. So if both user query and questions are similar, then the bot can answer. Using the threshold level, the bot can answer. For that you need to create if else condition. So if the match score greater than or equal to threshold level, then we are going to return the output. We are going to return answers. Match index. Based on the index position, we are going to return the output. Else, we are going to return please contact support or any other values. If the match score is less than the threshold level, we are going to return contact support. If the user query does not satisfied with the questions the bot trained, then we will return the invalid input like contact support. So that's it. First, we have created vectorizer for the questions. We are going to convert the questions to matrix. So after that, we are getting the user query. So the user query will be considered as the query. So we are going to find the similarity between the questions and the user query. And then we are going to use cosine similarity for finding the similarity between user query and then questions. So after that, we are going to create index position for the similarities. Then we have created confidence level 0.1. So if the confidence level is satisfied with the match score, then we will return the output. Otherwise, we will type contact support. So we need to run this code. So in the next class, we are going to complete our project. Welcome everyone. In today's class, we are going to complete our e-commerce fact bot. So now we are going to create user query input. For that, you need to type the while condition. You have to type while true. So that's the Boolean value true. While the condition is satisfied, we are going to ask the user query input of. We are going to ask the user query. So after that, if the user query dot lower, so if the user types exit, then we will exit the loop. So you have to type user query dot lower of equal to exit. If the user types exit, then we will exit the loop. Before that, we will print thank you. You have to type break. It will exit the loop. If the user types exit. And then we are going to provide the response by using the function get answer user query. So it will call the function. And then we will print the response. So if the user types their input, the bot will respond. So you need to run this code. You have to type your input. So I'm going to type my question. What is the return policy? I'm going to copy this and then I'm going to paste and then enter. So you can see the bot is successfully returned the response. So it provides correct response. I'm going to select another question, how I can contact customer support, and then paste that question, enter. So you can see again the bot provides correct response. So if I type invalid query like the bot not trained queries, you can see the output contact support. So we are seen in the else condition. So if I type any similar words in the query like contact support or payment methods, then the bot also provides the correct response because the threshold level reaches. You can see the correct response. So our bot is successfully trained using the cosine similarity. So that's the use of cosine similarity. It will compare the user query and then questions of the bot. So if I type buy, it will provide the invalid input. So you have to type exit. Then it will exit the loop. I'm going to type exit. So you can see thank you. So we have successfully created e-commerce fact bot using Python. So hope you learned something from this course. If you want to download my code, it will be provided in the description. Thank you.